Do you want to improve wireless network signal strength on Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do that. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. When the wireless network goes weak, things go slow and you get disconnected too often. You already know how irritating it is to work on a network with weak signals. Windows notifies you when the signal strength is weak. Here is how to improve the wireless network signal or reception. Let's get started. Method 1. Place your wireless router or access point at a central location. You need to check out the central point of the wireless network you have installed in your home and place the wireless router accordingly. If your house has 2 floors and you wish to access the network from either floor, you may want to place the router on top of a shelf so that both floors receive proper signals. Similarly, check which rooms will be using the router and place it in a location where each room is at approximately the same distance. If you place the router in a corner room, you will get good signals in that room, but the room to the other corner of the house may receive weak signals. Also, in this case, most of the signals will move out of the house and you need to password protect the network so that others don't start using it. Method 2. Remove obstructions if possible. While you cannot move the house walls, you can relocate other obstacles that interfere with wireless signals. These include metal shelves, cupboards, and other storage options. You also need to move the router away from the external walls, that is, the walls marking the external limits of the house. Metal items will obstruct the path of the wireless signals as the signals travel in a straight line and do not have the capability to bend at obstructions. Placing the signals towards the outer walls will give away most of the signal strength to your neighbors. Method 3. Use a high-gain antenna. The default antenna that comes with different router models is omnidirectional. This means that they send signals in all directions. In such cases, if your router is placed towards the outer walls, half the signals go outside the home. If it is a detachable antenna, replace it with the high-gain antenna to improve the wireless signals. A high-gain antenna allows you to focus the signals at the angles you want. Method 4. Stop using card-based adapters in computers. If your laptop or computer has built-in wireless networking capability, it is fine. If not, and you are using card-based wireless network adapters, the chances are that your PC won't be able to talk back to the router. This means that although your router sends signals of good strength to your computers, the card-based wireless network adapters do not have the functionality to send back signals of proper strength. For wireless networks to function properly, both the router and computers should be able to communicate properly. You can replace the card-based wireless adapters with USB wireless network adapters. Another benefit of using USB wireless network adapters is that they employ a high-gain antenna, which improves your wireless network. Method 5. Use a wireless repeater. Just as the radio stations use a repeater at regular distances to intercept weak signals and boost them before sending them forward, you can use wireless repeaters on your home network. The purpose of using wireless repeaters is to pick up weak signals and send them into a particular direction after boosting the signal strength. This will not only enhance network strength but also help expand the network to a wider area. Method 6. Upgrade the firmware of router and adapters. Vendors of routers and adapters keep on updating the firmware related to their products. The updates are available on the vendors' websites. Make it a habit to check out these websites for updates at regular intervals. If you find any updates to your devices, upgrade them. This will not only enhance your product's performance, but it will also improve the security provided by the product. Method 7. Move to 802.11n. Most of the network devices are built around 802.11g technology. 802.11n technology is now available, offering faster speeds with improved stability. Consider moving to 802.11n by replacing your older router and network adapters. Additionally, when purchasing equipment, consider buying from a single vendor for optimal performance. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.